You guys, we are here in Sheikh Zayed Mosque, Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. And welcome to Abu Dhabi.
Our first bucket list in 2026 to visit in Abu Dhabi is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Grabe, almost 10 years na ako dito pero ngayon lang ako nakapunta. While riding the buggy, makikita mo yung full view ng mosque from inside to outside. Dito mo talaga ma-appreciate kung gaano siya kalaki at ka-detailed.
Habibi, come to Abu Dhabi!
Sa labas ng mosque, sobrang ganda ng courtyard. Yung mga haligi, arches, at walkways, sobrang elegant. Kahit hindi ka pa pumapasok sa loob, mararamdaman mo na yung peaceful vibe ng place. Grabe, hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling na finally, makakapasok ko dito. Almost a decade na ako dito. Alam mo yung Sheikh Zayed, kahit nasa labas ka pa lang, sobrang overwhelming na ang ganda ng Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Sobrang laki niya, sobrang linis, at sobrang tahimik ng paligid kahit maraming tourist. Napaka-respectful din ng mga tourist dito, talagang sinusunod kung anong rules sa loob ng mosque. At kahit hindi namin masyadong na-explore yung inside, sulit na yung experience sa labas pa lang. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan pumasok para ma-feel yung essence ng isang lugar. Sa labas pa lang ng Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, ramdam mo na yung elegance, respect, and serenity. The mosque looks even more beautiful under a natural light. Kapag umaga or hapon, yung reflection ng araw sa white marble, sobrang ganda. Perfect timing talaga for vlogs and photos. Being here after almost 10 years hits different. Grabe, mapapa-appreciate ka talaga. Mas kalmado, sobrang grateful, at mas present sa moment. Hindi man namin naikot lahat, pero the experience itself is already unforgettable. This is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Kahit sa labas pa lang, sobrang impressive na. Definitely a must visit when you're here in Abu Dhabi. And for us, the perfect way to start our 2026 bucket list. This is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for watching this vlog here in Abu Dhabi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my vlog, Ronex Gracia UE Vlog. See you in my next adventure. Bye. Goodbye.